So this is the source 1, this is the source 2. Okay, now this person is hearing the sound. So if you see the first source, the angular frequency is 600 pi. The second one is having angular frequency of 608 pi. So the frequency is going to be omega divided by 2 pi, which is 600 pi divided by 2 pi, which is 300 hertz. For the second one, the frequency is going to be 608 pi divided by 2 pi, which is 304 hertz. So therefore the beat frequency which will be heard is going to be 304 minus 300, which is 4 hertz. Okay, so this and this, they are rejected. Now what's the amplitude? The amplitude is 4 here, the amplitude is 5 here. Now since both of them will be having an interference, so therefore the maxima is going to be, the maximum amplitude is going to be the summation of amplitudes, that is 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. The minimum amplitude is going to be the difference, which is 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So therefore intensity is proportional to amplitude square. So therefore we have maximum intensity divided by the minimum intensity is going to be 9 square divided by 1 square, which is 81:1. So therefore it will be 4 beats per second and intensity ratio will be 81:1. So therefore D option will be correct, not A, B or C. Thank you.